Hi guys, it's nice to be back again. It's been a long time. Look what I got here today. I got a wheel set. Oh, this is the rear wheel here. Where should I put the rear wheel? You don't have to answer me. So let me show you. This is the free wheel sprocket. Yeah. So you flip it over. This is the fixed gear sprocket. What we want to do today is to fit the free wheel sprocket on a bike. We need to get a bike now, don't we? Well, yeah. First of all, before you put this in, let's just check that your brake caliper, you see this brake caliper, it has this quick release. Yeah, see, I open it and I close it. I open it and I close it. It's like different. Leave it open anyway. So this is the fork end where you want your axle to be placed in. Aim it properly. Aim it and push it in gently. Sometimes you need a little bit of knock. Yeah, bit of knock right all the way to the end. So what we want to do now is to get the chain. Once you get it in, get this beautiful gold chain, put on top of the free wheel sprocket and run it through all the way. Put it on top of the chain ring and spin it around a little bit. Ooh, how beautiful is that? All right, stop for now. Okay, what we need to do now is to check and make sure that this wheel is aligned. All right, how do you see that? It should stay in between the chainstay. Can you see that? It's in between the chainstay. Pull it all the way to the back. Just tighten a little bit with your finger. Yeah. And then you need to check the tension of the chain. It looks good. It's about an inch up and down. So now what we want to do is take your 15 spanner, to tighten it just a little bit on this side and a little bit on this side, and that's to make sure that your wheels stay in between the chainstay. A bit here and a little bit there. I want it a little bit here and a little bit there. Tighten it all the way. Next step will be, see this tension pin? Alright, use a 3mm Allen key just to tighten it a little bit. Screw it in all the way, so as the other side as well. There you go. And don't forget to close this quick release lever. Just your brake accordingly. And there you go. You got your rear wheel done. Beautiful, isn't it? Look how beautiful is that. You're not ready to ride yet, unless you got your front wheel. We'll come back to that. And that is your front wheel. The tea was nice. The biscuit was lovely. Let's get to work. Let's put this on. Where should I put it? Like I said, don't answer me. Just do it. But make sure you check the direction of your tire before you put it in. Alright? Look at your tire. Look for the arrow, which way it rotates. Well, it doesn't say it's on this tire. Some tires you can use it in both direction. Yeah, so for now we just, whichever direction it is, it's all right. Just put it in, make sure that your quick release on your brake caliper is open. Yeah, mine is open, so you could put the wheel in easily. Yeah, just let it hang there and then spin it around a little bit. Oh, how perfect is it? Beautiful. Alright, you're not finished. You need to tighten up this nut. Yeah, make sure the alignment is alright. Stays in between your fork. Yeah, it looks perfect. Tighten it. Yeah, just tighten it this side as well as this side. There you go. And don't forget to close your quick release lever. Done, well done. Look at that gorgeous bike. Just look at it, it's upside down. Let's get it upright. Up, over. Ready? On the mat. Get set. Go! Beautiful. What a lovely day on a bike.